Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting shortcuts for all competitive exams. Today I came back with a new trick, finding a square of a numbers which are nearest to 50, nearest to 100, nearest to 150, nearest to 200 and so on. Here we should follow some basic rules. Suppose my question is suppose nearest to 50. Here is 51 square we should find. For example, here it is nearest to 50. Let us take base is 50. There are two conditions. If it is above 50 or below 50, let us take 49. Okay, see, I'm taking condition is 50. 50 is base. If 50 is a base, follow multiply with 0.5. And condition number 2. This is the condition number 1. Condition number 2. Nearest to 100. For example, 101 whole square. Or otherwise, less than 100 means 99 whole square. It is nearest to 100. No? Let us take base is 100. In this condition, we are going to multiply with 1. And condition number 3. Nearest to 150. Let us take 151 whole square. And below number, let us take 149 whole square. In these two conditions, it is nearest to 150. Here also nearest to 150. Let us take base is 150. In this condition, we are going to multiply. If you observe that here is 0.5, here is 1. Next, what will we can say? 1.5. Next, condition number 4. Nearest to 200. 201 whole square. Less than number also we can take, that is 199 whole square. These two numbers are nearest to 200. Then in this condition we are going to multiply with 2. Keep in your mind it is nearest to 50. As I said before, 50 means 0. We should multiply, 0.5 means 1 by 2. If you multiply 1 by 2 for 50, we will get as 25 as a base. Remember, it is 25. There is a two conditions here. If it is above 50, we should add the number. If it is below 50, we should subtract the number. These two conditions are very important. Here, how much more than 50? It is 1 more than 50. That's why I will add for 51. We'll get as 52 into 1 by 2. We'll get as what? 26. See, 26. Here I can add directly 1, right? Then it will be 26. How much more? 1 more. 1 square you should find. 1 here. Actually it is a 4-digit number. That's why I am adding 0. Then 51 square is equal to 2601. Keep in mind, here this much I don't want to do again. Why? Because if you do division and adding that for 25, directly it will get us this number. See here 52. Here how much more than 50? It is 2 more. Then what we need to do, actually 52 plus 2 we should do. Again we should multiply entire this number with 1 by 2. Then what will get? Here as 54 will come into 1 by 2. We will get as 27. 27 is will get. What I am going to do without doing this much steps, I am going to explain very simple trick. Directly add 2 here. Okay, what is more than 50? That we add directly to here. Then 25 plus 2, it will get us 27. How much more? 2 more. 2 square is how much? 4. Actually it is a 4-digit number. That's why I am going to add 0 before. Let us directly do for this question. If you do this question, here is 3 more than 50. I am adding for 25. 25 plus 3, it is 28. 3 square is 9. It is a 4-digit number. That's why I am going to add 09. Next number, 54. It is 4 more than 50. That's why I am adding 4 to this one. Then we will get as 29. 4 square is 16. Okay. In such a way, we can find 55 and other numbers also we can going to find. As we discussed, if it is less than 50, we should go for subtraction. If you go for subtraction, very simple. here how much less than 50? Here is 1 less than 50. That's why what I am going to do, 49 minus 1. It will becomes 48. What I am going to do, divide by 2, means otherwise multiply by 1 by 2. Then how much it will cancel? It is cancel in 24. Here we'll get as 24. Then we will write as 24. How much less? 1 less. 1 square is 1 only. That's why it is a 4-digit number. We should add 0, 1. Without doing this many steps, we can also do, here is less 1 when compared to 50. That's why here we can do like 25 minus 1. Directly we can go 25 minus 1. See, next number I will go directly without doing this much. You see, here 48. How much less than 50? 2 less than. Subtract 2 from 25. We'll get as 23. How much less? 2 less. 2 square is 4. But it is a 4-digit number. We should go with 04. Then next, it is less. How much less? 3 less. Then subtract 3 from 25. We'll get as 22. Then next, how much less 3? No, 3 square is 9. But it is a 4-digit number. We should go with 09. Next, how much less? 4 less. 25 minus 4 will get us 21. And 4 square is 16. Directly 16 we can take. And we can go with another numbers also, like 45, 44 and all the numbers also we can go. Let us, if you have any doubt, we can go for that 45 also. And 45 square. You see, how much less than 50? 5 less than. Subtract 5 from this one. We'll get as 20 and 5 square is 25. Why 5 square? It is less than 5. Less than 50. If you do now, we'll get as 45. How much less than 50 means 5. That's why 5 square I am going to do. As we discussed, nearest to 100 means we should multiply with 1. Okay. Again same condition. Above means we should add. Below means we should subtract. Keep in your mind. This is very important. Okay. When base is 100, we should multiply with 1. If you multiply with 1, the value will not change. Directly we can go. How much more than 100? Here is 1 more than 100. Directly add for the same number. Then 101 plus 1 will get as 102. Directly I will write, you please observe 102. Here how much more? 1 more. Then directly 1 square I can go. 1. But it is, if you square 101, it is not 4-digit number. You will get as 5-digit number. That's why I am going to take 0 before to that. Similarly, here is how much more? 2 more. Add for the same digit. Then 102 plus 2, it is equal to 104. And 2 square. How much more? 2 only more, no? 2 square. 2 square is how much? 4 only. That's why I am taking 04. Let's go for this example. 103. How much more? 3 more. Add the same number to this. Plus 3. We'll get as 106. And 3 square is 9. I am adding 09. Next, it is 4 more that I am going to do. Then 108 and 4 square is 16. Here is 5 more. Add that 5 added means 110. 5 square is 25. Okay, in a similar way, here is less number. We should go for subtraction. Then how much less than 100? It is 1 less than 100. 99 minus 1. It will be 98. Multiply with 1, the value will not change. That's why 98. And how much less? 1 less. 1 square is 1 only. Here is 01. Here 99 whole square is equal to 4-digit number only. No need to confuse. Okay, 98. How much less? 2 less. Subtract 2 from that. 98 minus 2 will get us 96. How much less? 2 less. 2 square is 4. But 4. But 2, it is a 4-digit number. That's why add 0 before to that. Next, 97. How much less? Directly I will do here. You see 3 less. Subtract 3 from this one. Will get us 94. And 3 square is 09. We should go. And 96. How much less? 4 less. Subtract 4. Then we'll get us 92. And 4 square is 16. Let us go with one more example for your understanding. 95 whole square. 95. How much less than 100? 5 less than. Then we can go, it is equal to, subtract 5 from this one, will get as 90, and pi square is 25. Okay, check with your calculator. These all numbers is very easy. We can do faster than calculator. Let's go with some more example. For example, if we take 151 whole square. As I said, if it is nearest to 150, we should go multiplication of 150. Nearest means multiplication with. Let us discuss one more example. 151 whole square. 151 whole square. It is nearest to 150. Nearest to 150 means we should go with a multiplication of 1.5. 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2. Then we can multiply with 3 by 2. How much more? As usually, if more means add, less means subtract. Then we can take one more example. It is nearest to 150 is 149 whole square. Okay, what I am going to do here is above 151 we should add the number. Okay, 1 added, how much it will be? 152. What we need to go with the multiplication of 3 by 2. Multiplication of 3 by 2. How much? What are the calculations? 2 table in this one calculation as 7 times 14 and 6 times 12. Multiply with 3. We'll get as what? 6 3s are 18, 1 carry forward, and 3 7s are 21, 22. Here we get as 228. How much more it is? 1 more. Then as usually 0 1 we are going to add. Then 151 whole square value is equal to 22801. Very simple, right? If you practice many times, no need to do this many calculations. Directly we can go directly answer. This subtraction we should go. Subtract now, how much we'll get? 148. We need to do multiplication with 3 by 2. And go for the calculation. 2 table here, how many times? 12 cancel. 7 times and 4 times. Multiply with 3. 3 4s are 12, 1 carry forward. 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2, 22. 3 by 2 we got. But it is how much less it was? It is less by 1. Then 1 square is 1. We should go with 0 1. Then we can say 149 whole square is equal to 22201. Suppose we want to do for 200, suppose 201, above 1, add 1, it will be 202. What we need to do? Multiply with 2. Then multiply with 2. What is the value we'll get? Here is 4, 0 4, here also 4. Then how much more is 1 more? Then add 0 1. Okay, similarly 199, it is also nearest to 200. What I am going to do? Whenever it is less, we should go for subtraction. Minus 1. Then it will be 198. It is a base is 200. We should go for multiplication with 2. That's why I am going to multiply with 2 here. Then if you multiply with 2, this will get us 2 8s are 16, 1 carry forward, and 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 9 here. Again 1 carry forward. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 396. And it is 1 less. Then we need to go with 1 square, that is 0 1. This is the square of 191. Then further also we can go. Suppose if you want to go for the multiplications of 250, and if you want to go for the multiplications of 300, and we can go with the multiplications of 350 and 400 as well. Here 200 means 2, 150 means 3 by 2. Next, what we can guess? Directly we can guess. Here is 2 got 2.5. 2.5 means 5 by 2 directly we can say. Here we can say 300 means directly again 0.5 added now will get us 3. Again add 0.5. Again add 0.5. Like that we can go further calculations. If you like my explanation, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.